With one of the most controversial and polarizing figures in the history of the WWE, CM Punk.
You don't reach the level of success he's reached without ruffling feathers. Sure, he might be out of step with the world at times, but that doesn't make him any less of a threat. Punk is as lethal as ever in the ring and on the mic.
We're definitely going to see what Punk has added to his arsenal since stepping away.
And Escobar is looking to fly out of the other corner with the heat. There are very few holes in Santos' game, and he knows when to flip that switch to ignite his afterburners.
When it comes down to it, Corey, Escobar has an offensive repertoire that's difficult to contain, no matter who you are.
Oh, that can shatter the jaw. Bam! Oh! Looks to climb the top rope. Perched up top. You gotta be kidding me!
Took a leap of faith and connected perfectly. This could be just what they needed.
Referee taking action. I guess the official said it's not going down like that tonight.
And he now slides back into the ring. And into the turnbuckle he goes.
He's heading to the outside. Better watch for the referee's count.
Oh my gosh!
The ref took the brunt of that one. Not that CM Punk listens to anyone, but what advice would you have offered him coming into this match?
I'd have cautioned Punk to try and get this match won quickly and decisively. When Punk's overconfidence gets the better of him, he creates openings for his opponent. So he can't be wasting time messing around or trying to make a big statement in this one.
Scoop slam!
Oh, hold on. Is he thinking of a submission here?
Trying to rip that arm out of the socket. The more he fights, the more pain he's in.
But he can't stop. Fujiwara, oh, nice way to get out.
Santos suffered some disrespect of his own. Punk scaling the turnbuckles.
Up high. Oh, man, he is more than fired up right now.
Knee drop.
That was nasty.
So precise. CM Punk looking to cinch in the Anaconda Vice.
After everything he's been through, will he give in right now? And would you look at that? He just let go of the submission.
Maybe he did the damage he meant to do and has something else in mind now.
Uh-oh, sweet dreams coming. The go to sleep GTS from Punk.
Escobar couldn't avoid the big shot.
2 count. An emphatic victory.
Here is your winner, CM Punk.
CM Punk staying tall.